Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to be helping you learn how to download Instagram application on your PC. Now let's begin. Since I'm using my Windows 10, let me go to the Start button at the bottom left. If you're using Windows 10 as well, you can follow the steps. Find Microsoft Store application and click it on. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account. And now at the top right, click on the search button. Search for Instagram by typing it in the search box and make your search. On the next page, click on the Install button right next to the application. Once you do that, your download will begin. Once the application is installed, simply click on the Launch button. You can now minimize this window and you'll be able to see your Instagram application opened up.
How you can create Instagram account. So first of all, you need to download the Instagram app either from your Play Store or your App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app. Now once the app is installed, open the app. This page will open up. Once this page opens up, you can create a new Instagram account using your Facebook account as well. That means if you have a Facebook account, you can link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. If you don't want to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account, then tap on the sign up option that's on the bottom of the screen. Today I'll just show you how you can create an Instagram account using your phone number or your email. So tap on this option. Then you have the option to choose your phone number or you have the option to choose your email as well. Now enter your phone number and choose your country code accordingly. Then tap on the next option. Now add your name and tap on the next option. Now create a new password and again tap on the next option. Now it's time to add your birth date as well. Then tap on the next option. Now tap on the sign up option. So by tapping sign up, you agree to the terms and conditions of Instagram as well. So you can connect your new Instagram account to your Facebook account as well, or you can completely skip that part. You can also sync your contacts to your Instagram account and find people who are already on Instagram account. You can also sync that, or you can skip that part as well. Then to add a profile picture to your Instagram account, tap on the add a photo option. Choose from library. Then tap on the next option. Now you can follow people on Instagram. Tap on the next option. So as you can see, I've just created an Instagram account.
In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Instagram account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in instagram.com. And once you're in this website, in this box type in your phone number, username or email, and in the box below type in your password. And once you've entered both of those, click login. And there you have it. You have successfully logged into your Instagram account.
How to log in Instagram from mobile. It's the same process even if you use from Android or iPhone. So first of all, you must tap on Instagram app. After that, you must write your phone number, email address or username and a password. So here I've written my username and a password. Now you must tap on login. Now you have successfully logged into your Instagram account.
How to delete Instagram account. For that, open up your Instagram app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on your profile icon which is on bottom right. There you can see a 3-bar menu icon on top right. Tap on it. Go to settings. There you can see the option of help. Tap on it. Select help center. Now scroll down and tap on taking a break from Instagram. Now choose how do I delete my Instagram account. Scroll down and there you'll see the option of delete your account. Tap on it. After that, you'll have to log into your account. Enter your phone number, username or email and your password. After you're done, tap on login. You'll have to now select the reason why you want to delete your account. Now re-enter your password to confirm you want to delete your account. After that, tap on delete. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete. Tap on OK. This way you can easily delete your Instagram account.
How you can change the username on your Instagram account. So first of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are already logged into your account. If you don't know how to create an Instagram account, we also have a video on that as well. Now once you are on the home screen, tap on the avatar like icon which is at the bottom right corner. So once you tap this, your profile will open up. Now to change your username, tap on the edit profile option which is under your bio. Now you will see your option with username. That's my username, so just tap on the option and delete this like this. Just enter a username and tap on the done option. Again tap on done, and that's how you can change the username on your Instagram account.
How to download Instagram pictures. If you would like to download images from Instagram on your Android device, in order to download images from Instagram, the easiest way to do it is to go to your web browser and in the search box type in download gram. Make your search. In the search result, go and tap on the first link that you see, which will take you to downloadgram.org. Now go to your Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Go find any images that you'd like to download. You can also go to your search button at the bottom of the screen and find an image that you can download. Now, once you find the picture that you'd like to download, tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on copy link from the expanded menu at the bottom. Once the link has been copied, go back to the website and simply paste in the link in the text box. Tap download now and you'll be able to see the picture popping out in the display. Tap download one more time and your download is done. Tap on the open in order to open up the image. Now you can easily go to your gallery and find the image downloaded on your phone.
How to change your profile picture in Instagram. First of all, you must open your Instagram app. At the lower right corner, you'll see a profile icon. Tap on that. After that, in the middle of the screen, you'll see edit profile. Tap on that. Here you'll see change profile photo at the upper side below your profile picture. Tap on that. Now you can select option new profile photo, import from Facebook, or remove profile picture. If you want to remove profile picture, you can click on remove. If you want to import it from Facebook, you can click on import from Facebook. If you want to change your new profile photo, click on that. After that, photo will appear on the screen. Tap on whichever photo you want to upload as a profile picture. At the upper right corner, you'll see arrow. Tap on that. If you want to edit or use filter, you can use. After that, you must again tap on arrow. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture.
How to switch your Instagram business account to private. Now let's get started. Tap open your Instagram application and sign into your account if necessary. In order to switch your business Instagram account to private account, you'll need to change your account type to personal. Go to the profile picture at the bottom right corner, which will open up your profile. As you can see that, this is my Instagram business account displayed on the screen. Simply go to the top right corner and tap on the hamburger menu and tap on settings from the expanded menu. Go to account from settings menu and scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see two buttons in blue at the bottom. Tap on switch account type and tap on switch to personal account. From the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on switch to personal account. When you do that, the in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all of your contents, including your promotions, will be removed. Once you tap it on, wait for a few seconds and there you have switched back to personal account. Now, to make the account private, you'll need to be on the settings page. From the settings menu, tap on privacy. At the top of the screen under Account Privacy, toggle the button on right next to Private Account and an expanded menu should appear at the bottom. Tap on Switch to Private and there you have a personal private account on Instagram. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on your Instagram that you post. How to delete your Instagram account on your Android device. Now let's get started. In order to delete your Instagram account, go open a web browser. In my case, I've opened up Google Chrome web browser. Now at the top of the screen, in the search box, type in delete Instagram account. Now make your search and in the search result, you'll be able to see a link that says delete your account, Instagram Help Center. Tap it on, which will take you to help.instagram.com. Now tap on how do I delete my account and then scroll all the way down until you find this link right here that says delete your account page. Tap it on and open up with a web browser. Log into your Instagram account by entering the credentials so that you can move on to the next step. In the first text box, you can either type in your phone number, username, or an email address that is associated with your Instagram account. I'm typing in my username. Now once you're done, move towards the next text field and type in your password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on the Show button right next to the Password tab and then tap on the Login button. Once you do that, on the next page, you can now select why you would want to delete your account by pressing on the drop down. Pick any region that matches yours and scroll to the Enter Your Password text box. You'll need to enter your password one more time just to make sure that it is you who's deleting the account for your Instagram. Make sure you're typing in the correct one. Now after you've done that, go through the information on what it has to say before deleting your account. It says that if you continue to delete your account, your profile and account details will be deleted on the certain date that is displayed on the screen right here, and your profile won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind and you'd like to cancel your deletion for your account, you can log back in before the deletion date. Now after you've gone through the information and you'd still want to delete your account, then simply tap on Delete button and in the pop-up select OK. As soon as you do that, your account has been scheduled to deletion. How to change your fonts for Instagram bio. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Instagram application. If you've ever seen an outstanding Instagram bio with striking fonts and attractive looks, and if you are wondering how it's possible, then there are several sites for that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this with LingoJam website. Go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Go to the Bio section and you'll be able to see your bio for your Instagram. Simply copy the bio by selecting the entire text and tap on Copy. Now, go open up a web browser. In the search area, type in LingoJam and search. From the search results, tap on this first link that you see, which will take you to lingojam.com. Now, you'll be able to see two text fields displayed on the screen. In the first text box, you'll need to type in or paste in the normal text that you just copied from your Instagram bio. Once you type it in, you'll be able to discover loads of attractive fonts that you can use for your bio. Paste your normal text here at the top and then wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you'll be able to find and scroll through the options right below on the next box. Now choose the best fonts that you like for your Instagram bio, and once you find it, simply copy the text by selecting the entire text and tap Copy. Now all you have to do is go back to your Instagram application and simply erase the current bio for your account, paste in the new bio in the text box. As you can see that the bio has been pasted in and it looks pretty good. Tap on the tick mark at the top right corner after you are done, and there you have your bio pasted into your bio section. Tap on the tick mark at the top right corner one more time from this page, and now, as you can see that, I have added a pretty attractive font for my Instagram bio.
How to play music on your Instagram notes. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your Instagram application. So just go ahead and open it up. Now, once the application is opened up, you will be taken to the home page. Now, in order to access your Instagram notes, just go ahead and tap on the messaging icon at the top right corner. Now, from your messages window, you have the plus icon on your profile picture to add a new note. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now you can type in your desired note, and in order to add your music, just tap on the music icon underneath your profile picture. Now you can scroll down and tap on the play button at the right to hear the preview of what each music sounds like. You can just scroll through this and use the appropriate music for you, or you can search for your desired music. Just go ahead and type in your search prompt, and once you find your desired music, you can just tap on it to select which part of the song you want to add. Once you select your song part, just go ahead and listen to the preview, and now you can simply tap on the share button to share your Instagram note. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add music to your Instagram note.
How to fix Instagram notification not showing problem. As you know that Instagram notifications are primarily meant to notify Instagram users of the activity on their application, but sometimes the app might not be able to send you notifications as it is supposed to. So in that case, here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've allowed Instagram notification on your device. Go and open up your settings app from the app drawer on your iPhone. And now, under settings, tap on the notifications option. Scroll down and search for Instagram from the list of the app and tap it on. If you've turned off push notifications for Instagram application on your iPhone, then you won't be able to receive any notifications. Allow notifications by enabling the button, and once the notifications are turned on, the slider will become green. Once you turn on notifications for your Instagram application, you'll be able to receive Instagram notifications for every activity on your app. If that doesn't work for you, the next thing to do is to also turn on notification settings on your Instagram application. To do that, open up your Instagram app from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the hamburger menu at the upper right from your profile page, and now select Settings from the expanded menu. Click on the Notifications option and make sure that the slider right next to Pause All is turned off. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to check Do Not Disturb mode. If you've enabled Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, then you will not be able to receive any notifications. Simply go and open up your device's settings, and from the settings, scroll down and tap Focus. Go to Do Not Disturb option from the top. Make sure that you've turned off your silent mode, and once you do that, you might be able to fix your notification issue on Instagram. After you make all of these changes, you might be able to solve your issue right away.
How you can convert your business account to your private account on the Instagram app. So first of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now to set your business account to private so that only your approved followers can see them, tap on the avatar icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will open your profile page. Now here, once your profile opens up, tap on the three horizontal lines which is at upper right corner of the screen. Now here, tap on the settings option and then tap on account. Afterwards, scroll down and then tap on switch account type. Now tap on switch to personal account option. Again tap on switch back. So that's how you can make your Instagram account private, or you can switch back from a business account to a private account on Instagram.
How to post stories on Instagram. If you haven't downloaded Instagram app, you can download it now. After you finish downloading Instagram app, tap on Instagram app. There you'll see an option at the lower side of the screen. There is plus sign. Click on that. After that, tap on story. Scroll, select any of the picture or video you like. Tap on the picture or video. At the lower right corner, you'll see send to. Tap on that. You'll see an option, sharing option. It's written your story. Tap on share. After that, tap on done. Now here you have successfully posted a story on your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.